Hello everyone, this is Jorge with North London Toyota, and today I wanted to show you this 2019 Toyota RAV4 XLE front-wheel drive. It is available for sale. Comes with alloy wheels, all-weather tires, Michelins. It's in really good condition. Also has heated steering wheel. Only has around 89,000 kilometers on the dash. Comes with the sunroof, power seats, lots of space. Power tailgate. So if you're in the market for a used vehicle or any RAV4 or this one in particular, give us a call and book a test drive appointment. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.